The family of 14-year-old Yetania Francis is still seeking answers after her murder in 2018. This even as authorities call for safe environments for children. But amidst reports of 4 men being arrested for buggering a teen in St. Anne, it was a somber start to Child's Month at a ceremony in Kingston today. Giovanni Dennis has the story.
Marking ugly memories by laying lovely wreaths, Latoya Riley still mourns the unsolved rape and murder of her daughter nearly 3 years on.
It's hard for me. It's not a piece where you can just pick it up like that, and it's not like a puzzle you can just pick it up and put it together. It's very hard. So it's been a hard 2 years for me.
So empty without her.
The burnt remains of 14-year-old Yetania Francis was found behind a church just meters from her home in Arnett Gardens in 2018. Miss Riley and her mother, Paulette Chin, were at a wreath-laying ceremony in Kingston on Sunday. The ceremony was being held in memory of children who've died tragically.
It brings tears to my eyes, because not only for my child, but also the child them that passed off. It brings tears to my eyes, because they don't live to see their future.
It's not something easy to forget. It's something where just come like pain. You're always reflecting on it and seeing like they are in front of you, but just cannot touch nor feel, just the memory.
Just this weekend, news came that 4 men were arrested in St. Anne for buggering a 13-year-old girl in April.
It is always sad for us when we hear of these occurrences. And indeed, we have to continue. We can't give up. We have to keep committed to bringing our nation to a position where we are comfortable that our children can live peacefully.
The mayor of Kingston implored parents to do better to create safe environments for children to soar.
They continue to experience all sorts of abuse, and which we have been advocating against at the municipality, and we want to ensure that we keep this on the consciousness of the mind of the nation, that our children must be cared for.
A request too from Latoya Riley.
We just want the kids them to live. The rapists them out there, the murderers them out there, stopped. Let the young ones them live.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.